The GLAKER Professional Hair Clippers stand out as a complete grooming system, combining hair cutting, beard shaping, body grooming, and detailing tools in one coordinated kit. Its high-speed motor and finely machined stainless steel blades cut through thick or curly hair smoothly, avoiding the tugging or snagging that cheaper clippers often cause. The adjustable taper lever and well-spaced guide combs make it easy to dial in precise fade work, beard lines, and consistent body hair length at home. A long-lasting rechargeable battery paired with modern USB-C charging means you can use the clippers cordlessly for extended sessions and conveniently top them up almost anywhere. The unit runs quietly and feels stable in the hand, which makes it more comfortable both for self-cuts and for trimming children or sensitive users. Water-resistant construction and removable blades simplify cleanup, so a quick rinse and brush keeps the clippers hygienic and ready for the next grooming session.